Hey, it's Hung from Flow Brackets. Today we're here with this brand new BMW i7. We're going to show you how to go from this to this. Let's get started. So if you have this BMW i7, it usually comes with this big box from the dealership. If the dealerships put it in, then it'll have two holes there. These big boxes are usually only suited towards larger European plates. But if you have something smaller and don't want to see this box, we have two smaller options. So this option is if the dealer has already installed the box. It mounts straight back into the factory holes, just like that. And then you use our fitting kit and it goes back into there. However, if there are no holes, you can use this smaller one. This smaller one is allowed to run shorter plates, like 3 to 4 character slimlines, and will sit nice and neat like that. So today we're just going to install the OEM one. It's going to go back into the factory holes because we're going to be using a standard size slimline plate. All right, let's get started. So the way that we've designed this part is for our screws to go straight into there, and this to rest up against that back ledge there. So all you got to do is you just got to mount it into there and put the screw in, tighten the screw, and you're done. So when you're installing the bracket, you have an option to add an additional spacer. So it's a 5mm spacer. You can add it to the front and mount the bracket through it if you just want to space your plate a little bit off. But in this case, we're just going to mount it straight to the bracket. So before we get started, this is a two-part mounting system. So you have your plinth and you have your bracket. So you have to get the correct bracket to match your plate. So in this case, we're going to match our slimline bracket to our slimline plate. However, if you have a larger JDM plate or a South Australia plate, you would get the matching bracket to suit the plate. There you go, our plinth installed onto this brand new i7 with our slimline bracket. Nice and easy. How much better does it look without that big ugly box? Thanks for watching, and the product is now live on our webpage.